still burn it. And the fam that think to cross me. How you lock off the party, you ain't bossy. Man, I showed you my feelings and you this chick, man, you were just a young G. Tried to show you the drops and you just done it. I know you feeling with that color. Yeah, nah, I can't trust you. I know you did without the rubber. Yeah, money talks and bullshit books. Yeah, but try all the different talks. It was my brother and they like it up the preschool. Yeah, I can really not.
And pause the live. George P, big up yourself. Yeah, a Mavado bridging from Grand Spen, you see me?
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England.
No.
It's a process.
Yeah, I can really not. If you fuck you with my brother, I know you feeling with that color. Nah, and just I know you did without the rubber. Yeah, money talks and bullshit books. Yeah, but try to do it. It was my brother really like it up the preschool. Yeah, I can really yeah. He was 20 years deep. How you move so cheap? He be 25 and I already did that in the streets. I did 5 in the can and the 5 in the deep. And I sing for your aura, you ain't blind in the Jeep. And the shit that you did, I should rise up the gleam. Take your time there with me, come touchy. And I ain't even had any sleep, so it's crunchy. Chip at the chip, them I can't touch me. These girls with niggas be called, the stick is rusty. I still burn it. And the fam that think to cross me. How you lock off the party, you ain't bossy. Man, I showed you my feelings and you this chick, man, you were just a young G. Tried to show you the drops and you just done it. I know you feeling with that color. Yeah, nah, I can't trust you. I know you did without the rubber. Yeah, money talks and bullshit books. Yeah, but try all the different talks. It was my brother and they like it up the preschool. Yeah, I can really not.
And pause the live. George P, big up yourself. Yeah, a Mavado bridging from Grand Spen, you see me? Yeah, man, but for some reason, you don't know the dog thing, they kind of go up on What you for been, my beetroot? Yeah, I'm a gal, yeah, I'm a gal, seafood. I'm a gal, I'm a gal, deep road. The girl them a mother, yeah, and the girl them a fear, yeah. Was it not the belly that come out and we can let it run and let you make the we can let it run, and then we can let I don't read you like a book, huh? You was learning how to cook, you was at home doing stuff you know how to do. You already know we lost one of our people. Oh, the girl them a ladder. Yeah, some of the girls them a be good. Yeah. 20 years deep. How you move so cheap? You be 25 and I already did that in the streets. I did 5 in the can and 5 in the deep. When I sing for your aura, you ain't blind in the Jeep and the shit. When you did, I should rise up the gleam. Take your time there with me, can't touch. And I ain't even had any sleep, so it's crunchy. Chip at the chip, then I can't touch me. All these days when niggas be calm, the stick is rusty. I still burn the bridge in the fam, that thing to cost me. How you lock up a party, you need to bust me. When I showed you my you just trust it. Now you got me disconnected from mumsy. Man, you try to show you the drops. I know you feel with that color. Yeah, nah, I can't trust you. I know you did it. Yeah, my people. So the one here is like a rap, zine, sound like some UK drill sound, right? Mixed with a nice flow for the chorus. Yeah, that is music. That is music. George P know what Mavado, you see me? And him highly respected as an underground. Yeah, I'm highly respected as an underground artist. You see me, him not reach the mainstream yet, as me I show no. So it's not any artist can crack the code for getting at the mainstream, you see me? While you have some artists who make it to the mainstream easy.
see the blood, I see blood, and I like this. Now we are never kill up when I do shows. I do a big dog when I do low. I push stuff smoking my foot if I don't get my chip down. Look at you.
So I'm saying some UK drill right there. Yeah, that's some UK shit. You get what I'm saying? But the mainstream, as me I say, some artists make it easy in the mainstream. Not because they're talented, but because they're favorable. They have something like normally evil about them that is not so good of a character to have. That is what mainstream is attached to and them aligned to. So if you're an evil betrayal person, yeah, if you're evil and a betrayal person, you can make it in the mainstream easy. You know what I'm saying? Or if you're a powerful, talented artist who the fans can't deny, then mainstream can't deny you. Once the many fans... But there's a thin line though. Yeah, there's a thin line, a very thin line.
Smash one of them smash rims. I'm gonna smash it. Huh?
Yeah.
Smash up on that side, man. Hear that? I'll go on there. I'm gonna. No, come on. Big up loose. Loving it like the horse and the vehicle and hear that? One shell say, cherry lips. That's not.
Yo, it's crazy. So there's a thin line between the artists who are very talented, who makes it to mainstream, and there's a thin line between those artists and the one who are talentless, who have no talent.
Yeah, people on the right, they hear that? I know the thing that this is my brother. This is where he work from. Ooh, this is where we work from. She made the wood get stiff and stab up. Man, don't take that up. Man, original dada, like Tanner. Man, see get stab up. You're looking at me, then you're looking at Banner. Or it could have been Bruce. Don't let me get green and go for the ammo. And then boof this brother. Ox Blacks, I was there in the video on my man. I stepped in one. And banging. I got 3-6 shots and a brand new cannon. Where's Matt? Old school names. You don't know old school people. If you know that. She made a wood get stiff and stab up. Man, don't take bad up. Man, original dada, like Tanner. Man, see get stab up. If you're looking at me, then you're looking at Banner. Or it could have been Bruce. Don't let it get green and don't get a hammer. Don't beat this brother. I was back in the day when I was video man. I stepped in one hand. He was lucky he was acting on video man. He's good for talent. Every break you can lose to Kingston or Shannon. Man, I ain't banging. I got 3-6 seconds shot and a brand new cannon. There's still some things in the shop, so the things invalid. I don't keep for 5 in the block, and I still got manners. I'm gonna rub it like a genie, and see what happens. I mean the money rise up like this, and I'm splitting ladders. Might come like that in a slip. It's bad. She made the wood get stiffer.
She made the wood get stiff and stand up and bum up and put up her leg and turn her bun up and can up. Yeah. So it's some UK drill sound, you know what I mean? Big up to the UK artists, the rapper. Yeah. Remember Chipmunk? He was one of the first put it on
me, then you're looking at Banner. Or it could have been Bruce. Don't let me get green. And then put this Banner. I'll start to the day when I video man.
Yeah. I'm in this angel bread. We call it manna. And get the thing. Yeah. So there's a thin line between the talented artists who.
I stepped in one hand. He was lucky he was acting on video man. He's good for talent. Every break you can lose to kiss to a Shannon. Man, I ain't banging. I got 3-6 seconds shot and a brand new cannon. There's still some things in the shop, so the prints invalid. I don't 3-4-5 in the block, and I still got manners. I'm gonna rub it.
Yeah.
And see what happens. I mean, the money right up like this. There's no splits and ladders. Like, come like that and slicks.
Yeah, there's a thin line between the great talented artists who makes it.
I took 10 years out of a bitch, and I'm back to cover. I mean, 10 years back conceded, so I'm back to cover. I didn't take no chat from no one.
Yeah, there's a thin line between the talented artists who are able to make it to mainstream and those who aren't talented, who makes it to mainstream because they're favorable. Like Massacre, he's not so talented. Everyone discovering his one flow. You know, this is George P. is the slim guy with the hat on in the back, in the black. Yeah, at the BACK, we call black. You know, he's the slim one resembling John Hype. Zime more resemble John Hype right there. So George P, it's his live, right? The guy, the front runner guy you see in the camera here with the fade and the, you know what I mean, the whole heap beard. He is George P. Collab.
I had this with that with your with. I had a whole thing pattern. I think it was 25,000, 15 jobs if I get pattern. Oh yeah, so take my ball and kick it. I know John was gassing. My man trapping. I don't my man me, fam. Man can't my man me. So if I'm with you, dog.
Yeah, cause Jamaican don't play that my man shit. It's like a Batman thing.
Okay.
You know what I mean? In Jamaica culture, we don't play that my man thing. But you know, I'm sort of worldwide, so I understand.
That's what I'm feeling. Women chimp out. It's not a my man thing. It's not a my man thing. No, 1,000.
I've been telling him to play the first song.
He said, no, come on. It's never that.
Cause my man coward, and man strap, and my man gun, and my man's black. Cause my man's is a gun, and my man strap, and my man man, and my man man. My man ain't no mama man. My man.
Put the hype again, that's 5 zatters, 2 runs. Man outside with it, I'm switched on. 2 on, and then the life with it, my brother walk. God, we let the time frame cut unruly, squandule it, then let the rise again. Big boss, done, talk to the 4-5 again, I'll ride again. Please, actually, never the mic again, this mic up then. Everyone, up and down this tongue, no down the time, over them. They call me in this boy, man, the queen of this verse. But they're running fully up in there, can spend better. Watch out to me, I'm coming top 10. Then I at night, my works, when it's time to ride, they lie. I'm outside and I put in my eye, this my eye. Back with the inside, and they cap. You know, it's like fucking power, this is fly out to JA, the soldier, and the cross, you can play this, it's capital, the things. Yo, cuz, mad. Let me bring it back for them. Yard mode. Look, listen, just go put bass, yard mode, and you can get that in your sitting room on a Sunday. You know what I'm saying?
That's George P. Cuz. It's George P. It's his song you're hearing on the track, but it's a collaborative effort with the other guy there. He's the UK drill rapper sounding artist you hearing on the track, the collab with George P here. Yeah, George P have an image as it, all original gangster look. You see me, not saying him look old, you know, cause you see me, your sister the dog, fresh and young, cut everything, you see it. Fresh and cut like a barber, you see me? Yeah, and he's dreadful like a rasta and also cut as a barber. In the cut like a, yeah. You on the bench and he a starter. You grind slow, we grind harder. You caught a face shot, man. You won't see your daughter. Brrr, bam. That's Foolio, MFKRs. Yeah, rest up. Julio, the Don Julio. He's the Don of fucking Jacksonville. It took at least like 5 MFKRs to get him out. You know what I'm saying? And they used a chick to trick him. They used this biatch to trick him. That's fucked up, you know? Foolio, I wish you were here, boy. I swear, boy. It's painful, I swear. Foolio is a badass rapper, bruh. Yo, them niggas bars they be loud. They be aggressive. They be crazy. It's just sick, you know what I mean? Foolio. Now this is George P. Yeah, George P. Badass DJ from Jamaica. Represent. Zine for Grand Spend. Yeah, you don't know. Grand spend one of the terriblest places them at Jamaica in a Kingston. Try know that. You know that. Big up Sivadan. You see it? Bad man, you see me? Big up the ones them, you see me? Yeah, me don't know what I go on for George Peel. Him Virgin Devrel say up. You see me? I tell them for run black the first song of the vibes. Listen when the live you start when I upload it. You see the first song when I catch? And that are the banger. Judge I know. But them I cut the live so much, daddy. You see it? So we just have to go. Yo, the man them anything look like. Them end the live, daddy. Judge I know. Yeah, George P. This a Mavado virgin, you see me? Just like when I remember 3 Star, same name, where you used to promote wildlife. Yeah, 3 Star. Him there go on with that thing, him vice course. You see me? And him there promote this bad image, this badness image, bad man image, you see me? Yeah, and him did get some highlight from Mavado when Cartel did at jail, especially when Mavado dropped Progress. Him did up on the CM rhythm. Me have the baddest song on the Progress. The rhythm where Mavado doing big international song, Progress. You see me? Progress. You see me? Big song. And me have a #1 song on the rhythm there. You see me? I just show the boss got drop out, mineral boss. You see me? And him wife have to go and run the thing. It just set a weird cramp everything. You see me? So that's why my thing never to get out there. You see me? A big up mineral boss nonetheless. You see me? I say? Me I try remember how my song did go. Cause a long time we kind of put it down on the shelf and nobody take it up. You see me? Yeah, so I just one of them things them now to remember one piece I you know, but you know in a sense me sing that small piece I don't remember, you know, more. But it did, you see me I say? Yeah, all gone down, and when time it's raining, love come down, raining, love come down, anytime you're ready, love come down. Me say the love come down. Me say the lover 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 come. Me say the lover come down. Me say the lover come down. Is it? Me say the lover come down. Sweet, she said the lover come down. She said the love. You walk in my heartstring clearly play the music of my thoughts. So I start sing every day. And if you in my bottle, the bombs like hand grenade full of fuel pins and they're gone. It destroy all that's in our way. Let's go. Cause you're the key to my heart, like the key to my home. Yeah. And you're the key to my heart, like the key to my home. Yeah. Me say the lover come down. Girl, me say the lover come down. She breathe, me say the lover come down. She breathe, me say the lover come down. Me say the lover come. Me say the lover come down. She breathe, me say the lover come down. For real, me say the lover come down. For real, me say the yeah. You remember it. Since you walk in my heartstring clearly plays the buildings of my. Yeah, listen, me catch it. Cause that song there is lyrical. No boy song no bad like my song on that Progress beat there. You see me when Mavado have the big song. You see me? Big man thing. We're not gonna hear it, cause it have release. Me I just link up Mineral Boss, Mama Mineral, moms, you see me, and talk to her, you see me? And get the thing official and start block my track. Enough big song me have, you know. I just show a whole heap of little thing interfere with our career. Why? You see me, the earth never ready for out there. But you know that song there, I want to listen to the lyrical flow and prowess. See? When I say, when in the song me I sing, say, since you walk in my heartstring clearly plays the music of my thoughts. So I start sing every day. And if you walk in my arms where the bombs like hand grenade pull a few pins and they're gone, it destroy all that's in our way. Let's go. Cause you're the key to my heart, like the key to my home. Yeah. And you're the key to my heart, like the key to my soul. Yeah. Me say the lover come down. She breathe, me say the lover come down. It's sweet, me say the lover come down. For real, me say the lover come down. Me say the lover come. Me say the lover come down. For real, me say the lover come down. It's sweet, me say the lover come down. She breathe, me say the lover come down. Me say the lover come. Yeah, body song on the progress, on the Mavado. You see me? No boy song no bad so. A regular will take the rhythm them like how Cartel them do it and Mavado card. But them era that we watch and learn and grow enough throughout and see what go on, you know. So if you not bad up the rhythm for take the rhythm, then no nah say nothing. So me I say, yeah, brr. That's the thing that we got any try to say, you see it. Don't know, crazily insane. Big up George P and the UK drill rapper artist where they side eye dog, you see it? Yeah man.